The ICEVI, the Nippon Foundation Mathematics Package for Teachers video series, Abacus as a Mathematical Tool. Title of the video, Abacus Division, treating every stage of division as a fresh division. Example, 123 divided by 5. We had already discussed that when we break the abacus division into different stages, we make it a single digit dividend or a double digit dividend or a mixture of them for doing calculation. In the example 714 divided by 5, we had 3 stages of division, but in one case we dealt with a single digit dividend. And in the other 2 cases, we dealt with the 2-digit dividends and completed the division process. In the case of 666 divided by 3, we again had 3 stages of division, and in every stage, we had to deal with only 1 digit of the dividend. There is one more possibility that we may have to deal with 2 digits of the dividend at every stage of division. Let us take the example 123 divided by 5. Let us set the divisor 5 in the left end of the abacus and the dividend 1, 2, 3 in the extreme right of the abacus. As the divisor 5 is larger than the highest digit of the dividend, and in this case it is 1, we need not have to skip a column to set the quotient. It means the quotient should be set to the immediate left of the number 1. However, we have to take the first 2 digits for the division problem as the divisor is larger than the first digit of the dividend. In the first stage, we take the dividend 12 and the divisor 5. As there are 2 5s in 12, we set 2 to the immediate left of 1 and reduce 10, that is 1 from the hundreds column and 0 from the tens column. At this stage, we are left with 2 in the quotient and 2, 3 in the dividend section. In the second stage, we have to apply the quotient rule again. In this stage, as the divisor 5 is larger than the first digit of the dividend 23, we need not have to skip a column in setting the quotient. But again, we have to consider the 2-digit dividend for division process by saying there are 4 5s in 23, we set the quotient 4 and 4 multiplied by 5 is 20. That should be subtracted from the dividend. That is 2 is cleared in the tens column and 0 in the units column. Now we have 24 in the quotient and the tens column is separating the quotient and the remainder, and we have the remainder as 3. In the last 3 examples, we discussed in detail how the division problem may be broken into different stages, and in each stage what type of dividends and divisors were involved. Irrespective of whatever may be the type of dividend, following the correct quotient setting rule will definitely lead to the correct setting of results.